How to use Reddit to drive traffic to your website. So first of all, what you're going to do is focus on authentic community engagement rather than the bland self-promotion. So in order to do that, the first thing that you should do is the comment strategy. So in here, what you're going to do is find the thread, search for your target keywords on Google, and identify existing Reddit threads that rank on the top 10 search engine result pages. Then what you're going to do is add value. Answer users' question directly in the comment if your website contained the best solution or further reading. Organically link it to a helpful resource rather than an advertisement. The next thing that you want to do is the native engagement strategy. So in here, what you're going to do is post no links, post valuable insights instead. So write informative text only post or share your expertise on relevant topics. And for the link in bio, instead of risking a ban by linking directly to your site in the post, what you're going to do is focus on building upvotes and organic engagement so that interested users will naturally click to your profile, where you can now pin your link or website or a newsletter. So after doing that, lastly, what you're going to do is leverage Reddit ads. So in here, what you're going to do is navigate to Reddit ads and target specific subreddits, demographics such as location and devices. Then you can simply start tracking now. Always use the UTM parameters on your destination URLs so that you can accurately track conversations in the platform like Google Analytics. So after doing all of these, you will be able to drive traffic to your website instead of your Reddit, and that's it.